Hey, what's up everybody? 2019 Chevy Silverado. I'm doing these rear pads on the frame here. They're pretty easy. There's just a one bolt that's right up the center of it. This one takes a 10 millimeter and we're going to take a long extension and go right up the middle. So here's my 10 millimeter socket and then here's my ratchet. I got a longer extension. You could probably double up on extensions if you need to, and you just go right up the middle of this. And then on this year, it's a 10 millimeter on there. I can't say if it's a 10 millimeter for all Silverados or Chevys in general, but this one was. And we'll go ahead and unscrew this here. I'm ratcheting funny because I have a camera in my other hand, but we're just gonna go ahead and get that loose. It's a pretty long bolt, so it kind of takes a while. If you have an electric ratchet or if you can get your electric drill in there to take it out, that'd be probably more ideal. Here's the bolt. Once it's out, you're gonna have to just kind of pull down and wiggle this and get this off like that. Sometimes they can be stubborn if they've been on there for a while. Here's my new one. This is my part number, that GM number. This is from the dealer. That's where I got it from. And here's my new pad. This just goes right in where the old one was. You can see the threaded hole right there. That goes there, and then we're gonna use our extension and socket to just go ahead and hand start that bolt, and then I tighten it down like that. And once it's tight, I just go kind of until it's a little snug. You know, I don't think it's necessary to go mega tight on that. And that's it. Hope this video helped you out.